This one right here is the Cocobanana, okay? Cocobanana. Sorry, I can't read. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm a little slow. Vanilla ice cream. Come behind that with some banana. Okay, followed up with some rum. Wow, coconut rum and banana liqueur. I was standing right there as we were making the drink. You know, I don't know how come I can't pronounce it. Amaretto, and then some pineapple juice. Okay, and then we can, cream of coconut. Once you see cream of coconut in the mix, you know stuff's good. Ice, okay, just to thicken things up, and then we blend, okay? Ice can make the mixture a lot thicker, okay? So we have some cream of coconut on our glass, and that's what we gonna rim it in. And then we come behind that with some toasted coconut, okay? This tastes delicious, oh boy. Ooh, you definitely put your lips on this glass. So we pour in our mix, all right? Beautiful. Then come behind with a little banana garnish. Stick an umbrella nut just to keep the sun away. Little bamboo straw, okay? And there you have it. The Cocobanana, all right? Awesomeness. So for more drinks like this, be sure to check out tipsybartender.com. There's Bobby tasting it, all right? Awesomeness. And guys, remember always drink responsibly, okay? Be a responsible adult. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy.